category.
Oh.
Or the next question, I should say.
I can't read the column. What? Sure.
It didn't.
Okay, in the beginning.
In the beginning for 200?
What year was the first typewriter patent?
It's a good thing that Don
Okay.
and you aren't.
1873.
Nope. Next.
Are you sure?
It just came to mind.
Sounds good to me.
You gotta go with the intuition.
1868?
Oh, you guys have to go way earlier.
Not when the first typewriter was made. When was the first patent?
Does it work? This one doesn't work.
What?
Did I press it too
Blue?
low?
No, leave it on the.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
leave it on there
Okay.
and just press.
Okay.
If there are two other numbers.
Okay.
That happens when people get too aggressive.
Okay. So it's okay. Is it? I don't know. 1806.
No, nobody's getting this. Wow. Should I reveal it?
Yeah.
Yes,
For the
you
Yeah.
third time?
Alright.
1714.
Oh.
That's how long ago that they
Now-
were thinking of typewriters.
Now that typewriter was never it was made by Henry Mill, the patent, but it was never produced, or there's no proof that it was ever produced. It was just a patent issued on it in England.
In England, okay.
Yep.
100 years old.
Okay.
Of course. The next one.
So let's see. So the last people who got it right were them, so they get to choose the category.
Four people ago.
Yeah.
I can't see the column headings from back here.
Sorry.
How about a royal affair?
For 200.
So when was the Royal Typewriter Company founded?
What does it say?
What happened to his voice, Britt? Is it turned down so low we can't hear his voice?
No, there's no voice.
I thought he thought he talked.
No, he doesn't.
Oh.
So when do you think
That's
Royal
false.
was founded? When do you guys think it was founded?
Oh, let's do a.
No Google checking.
No, no. No. How about 1889?
No. Sorry.
Oh. -2.
Who's second?
Sorry.
Anybody else gonna
Anybody
try?
else gonna try?
Oh, they don't want points deducted.
Yeah,
They're
there's
smart.
people, yeah.
Right,
Can,
you
can we
feeling
each
the
have a copy
answer?
of Richard Polk's book?
I know.
Ah. Not out of my store.
Oh, okay.
So they were a modern company. They
Yeah.
They didn't incorporate until 1904.
They were late in the game.
They were late in the game. Yeah. With that flat.
Royal Standard.
Right.
Yeah, Royal and Standard.
That the Crayola crayon was patented and Dr. Seuss was born.
Wow. A good year. Well, and so the last people who got it right are still you guys in the back. So choose a category.
How about, what's the first one?
Name that font. Is the
How
first one.
about, in the beginning?
In the
In
beginning.
the beginning for 400.
Good song.
So who submitted that first patent way back in 1714?
I just said
You
it.
just said it, and I just forgot it.
Mr.
Alright, somebody was paying attention. That's good.
Ben
I think he
Franklin,
said
obviously.
Thomas Mill.
Yeah.
All right. So who's
It's
green?
on. It's on.
Who?
I think he said Thomas Mill.
Nope, nope,
Oh,
nope.
Oh.
So close.
next, anybody?
Henry Mill?
Oh,
Oh.
you got it.
Yes! Wow! Good for you.
Very good. Somebody was paying attention. We're good.
Clear the mind out. That's it.
Short-term memory.
That's great.
All right, you guys get
I
a.
think we lose
400. There you go.
There you go.
Tools of the trade for 200.
Alright.
What is that thing? Okay, go ahead.
Wire cutters. Or dice. There's another term I've heard for that.
So you're going with what again?
Wire cutters? What are wire cutters?
There's a straight-
That's not the. You need an adjective on there.
Yeah, you need to
A
be.
segment straightener.
No.
They are cutters.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, so
That's cutter.
so who's red? The red
Side cutters.
side cutters.
Side cutters, yes.
Is that 400?
Right.
Diagonal side cutters.
If Tom, did you? Yeah, Tom got it then.
Yep.
I pushed the button.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
There you go.
So you're next. you gotta choose the category.
Tools and trade.
Okay.
Alright, here we go.
So what's that one?
Is there some kind of needle nose?
This isn't birth. This is.
Go for it.
How about bent needle nose pliers?
Yeah.
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Curved needle
Okay.
nose pliers.
Yeah.
All right. Got that
Was
one.
that 400? Yeah, now we got 200.
Yep, we sure
Because
did.
we're all just a little bent. Sorry.
Yeah.
All right.
We're here, aren't
Over on one. Yeah.
Yeah.
we? So you guys get an opportunity for the next.
Go for it.
All right, let's do a Royal Affair 400.
Yes, Royal Affair. Oh yeah. So where in the United States was the typewriter capital of the world?
Is it Connecticut?
Do you know a particular town in Connecticut?
Hartford, something like that.
She got it.
Ah.
And the reason why is because
Underwood.
Royal and Underwood both took over the town
Yeah.
at the time.
Gee, I thought it was Bremerton.
And that's what you guys just said, so.
The new one, yeah. Who is versus who was.
Yep. Alright, perfect.
All right.
Keyboards from around the world.
Oh, yeah.
200.
Okay.
Alright.
So what is that keyboard?
Oh. Actually,
He got a little. It's a keyboard, all right.
what do you mean by that? I was.
Hold on.
So what language?
You did
Oh,
push it.
Yeah.
I think,
So what language?
shoot.
So we've got green first.
Oh,
That's
green is
probably-
first.
Green is first.
No, flash one's orange.
Oh, I'm sorry. Orange was the first one. Sorry. So what?
Okay. It's, shoot, I'm trying to think. It
Has an upside down.
I don't want to say, it looks Spanish, but I don't think it's Spanish quite. It's
Alright, go check it out.
okay, that L, yeah.
Sorry.
Spanish is the, yeah, I mean, Spanish
Sorry.
is the
She
closest
said
thing.
Spanish. I'm gonna give it.
Yeah, that's good enough.
That's it. You're so
Alex
smart.
Trebek would give her that.
I'm not
Oh, it's
wavering.
Spanish, okay.
Alright.
Upside down
Wow.
question mark. is-
That's
That's
good,
good.
yeah.
I would have never
Yeah.
gotten that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, next.
Oh, how about, let's do another keyboard.
Alright, 400.
Okay. Now, here you go.
Actually, these are off your website, Paul.
They are.
I grabbed these off your website. I Googled them and your site came up.
Here we go.
Oh, green.
You got it. Green. Green got it.
Yeah.
We're almost up to 0.
You're probably
Okay.
beating everybody else.
Which category?
Let's do the same thing.
Keyboards, all right, we're good.
Keyboards, all right.
Alright.
Now, how about this one? What's this keyboard?
Those are hard to see.
I know, sorry.
Well, it's not your fault, that's.
If we had a bigger screen,
Oh,
it would work.
shoot. I know the name of the, I
You
don't
mean
know
that
the name,
University
but
of
I-
Washington professor name?
It's
Oh.
supposed to be a more better
Yellow.
typing.
Yeah.
All the vowels on one line. Forget the-
Okay, yellow.
Just the Deborah.
You, Arshel, you press the.
No,
No,
yellow.
this is orange. We're orange.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Not
Who's,
me.
who's yellow? Oh, I'm sorry.
Just
Justin.
Deborah?
Yes, absolutely. University of Washington professor. Deborah.
There you go.
Cool.
Good on you. Score one, man.
Yeah.
Down.
All right. Let's go quote reader 400. Clearly line out.
All three. Ooh, how did the Corona Typewriter Company get its name? Think way back to its first typewriter. Justin.
I have crown?
Nope.
Maybe?
Oh,
Just
man.
going through the word corona in Spanish.
All right, anybody else?
There's Oliver.
So they were drinking.
They were drinking.
Yeah, here you go. Maybe Corona.
Yeah.
Anybody?
For the beer, obviously.
Are we revealing?
We're gonna reveal it.
Alright, here we go.
So the Standard Folding Typewriter Company renamed themselves after their most popular model, the Corona. that little Corona 3 folding, right? That was it.
Just learn that.
Yep.
And I just learned that today.
Yeah.
Okay, who had the last right one? Well, still, Justin.
Oh, okay, in the beginning, 600.
So, in what year was the first recognized typewriter made? Wow, I know.
Should've studied.
No one's going to get this. Is a tough one.
No, this is a tough one, definitely. What do you guys think? Anybody who's
Not successful, but recognized.
This is kind of an esoteric one, so we're just gonna
Give it to him?
we're gonna give this to you guys. So in 1808, right? And anybody know what country?
Germany?
How about Italy? Yeah, an Italian sort of typewriter.
He did it for a friend of his who was blind.
Yeah. Okay, well, you still.
Well, this is just, I'm going great, you're missing 2 in a row. We'll go Royal Affair, 600.
All right, good. This is the fun one. So why did Royal drop over 200 typewriters in crates from an airplane with parachutes to dealers all over the eastern seaboard in the U.S.? Why did they do that?
Cardboard poles.
Maybe. I think you guys are in the
Okay,
lead anyway. You guys
so
gotta-
Green got it first.
Did Rick? Did Rick ever get back to you?
Yes.
There he is.
Yes.
I just asked.
Promote the ruggedness of their typewriters.
I just asked Britt.
So you were almost there.
Did Rick ever get back in? She goes, there he is.
And it worked.
I didn't even hear it. Let me close the thing so I can hear the buzzer go off here.
Well, I didn't want to walk in the middle of it.
Oh, no, we're in the middle of typewriter jeopardy. Are you hungry? There's some food in there.
Oh, that's nice, thank you. Not really.
Yeah, Mike. I mean, just that. That's weird.
Well, it turned out not to be quite as fun a walk as